This is what actually happens inside your fingers when you crack your knuckles. Your joints are wrapped in a capsule filled with fluid. When you pull or bend the joint, pressure drops inside. Gases dissolved in the fluid form a bubble. That bubble collapses. That pop you hear? That's a tiny implosion inside your finger. After it pops, the gas has to dissolve back into the fluid. That's why you can't crack the same knuckle twice in a row. It takes about 20 minutes to reset. And no, it doesn't cause arthritis. A doctor cracked his knuckles on one hand for 60 years straight and compared both hands. No difference.